Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to register on Aviator Predictor App. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up your browser and search for Aviator Predictor GitHub. After that, you want to go ahead and open up the GitHub link. Now, what we need to do is, we need to scroll down a bit and look for Aviator Predictor App. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down a little bit. Now, the great thing about this page is it actually gives us instructions on how exactly we can register and install the Aviator Predictor app. Now, in order for you to set it up, what we need to do is download the actual app. So, go ahead and tap on the download option. It will then redirect you to this web page. Here, just tap on download app and then install it onto your mobile device. Once you've installed it, you want to click on the login option. Now, in order for you to start using the app itself, you need to use the username admin, and you could find out the password by pressing the forgot password option. After logging in, you could just follow the steps you should be able to start using it. So that's basically how you can register on Aviator Predictor app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.